Imagine this for a moment. You wake up inside a motorhome that doesn't feel like an RV at all, it feels like a luxury penthouse suite sitting on top of one of the most powerful Freightliner chassis ever built. You open your eyes and the first thing you notice is the real ceramic tile under your feet, the soft ambient lighting glowing through the ceiling, and through those huge frameless windows, the morning sun slowly filling the entire cabin. Now imagine hitting the highway, and instead of hearing rattles or wind noise, you feel absolute silence, a kind of peaceful, controlled power where the whole world seems to move around you while you glide forward without effort. That is exactly what the Renegade XL 45 BBC is designed to deliver. It's a motorhome built for travelers who want zero compromise, for people who want a coach that feels like home but moves with the strength and confidence of a commercial-grade machine. And today, we're diving deep into every corner of this incredible motorhome to see why it stands at the top of the Super C world. So sit back, relax, and imagine yourself behind the wheel, because the 45 BBC is about to change the way you think about road travel. Let's start on the outside, because the Renegade XL 45 BBC is massive, bold, and instantly recognizable. Built on the Freightliner Cascadia 126 chassis, this coach has a commanding presence that you simply can't ignore. The long, imposing hood, the sculpted front end, and that heavy-duty grille all combine to give it a look that screams durability and confidence. This isn't a motorhome pretending to be a truck, this is a real truck at heart, engineered for commercial-grade performance and reliability. Renegade builds the XL series for people who want a motorhome that can handle anything: mountains, hot weather, long hauls, towing, without ever feeling strained. The exterior features full-body automotive paint, sleek frameless windows, integrated LED headlights, side-view cameras, massive storage compartments with flush doors, dual power awnings with LED lighting, and a rock-solid fiberglass roof. Every detail feels premium and purpose-built. And with a total length of nearly 45 feet, this motorhome belongs in a luxury motorsports paddock just as much as it does in a campground. But the real star underneath is the Detroit DD16 engine. This beast delivers up to 600 horsepower and an incredible 1,850 pound-feet of torque, paired with the proven Allison 4000 series transmission. What that means is simple: effortless acceleration, even when you're towing something heavy. And speaking of towing, the 45 BBC can handle up to 30,000 pounds. So whether you're pulling a large trailer, a boat, or a vehicle, this coach barely notices the weight. And thanks to air-ride suspension, disc brakes all around, and Renegade's famously tight build quality, the driving experience is smooth, stable, and surprisingly quiet. People who own these often say it doesn't feel like driving a motorhome, it feels like driving a luxury touring truck. Now step inside, and this is where things really start to shine. The moment you walk through the entry door, the interior feels like a modern luxury apartment. Real hardwood cabinetry lines the walls, the tile flooring runs seamlessly from front to back, and soft LED lighting gives the entire cabin a warm, inviting glow. The layout is spacious and beautifully balanced, with tall ceilings, wide walkways, and a mid-coach living design that feels incredibly natural. The living area is built for comfort and style. You have a large sofa or theater seating, a beautifully crafted dinette, opposing slide-outs that create a huge open space, and massive panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The entertainment center features a large LED TV, premium sound system, and an optional fireplace that adds a cozy atmosphere perfect for movie nights or quiet evenings inside. What really stands out is how open the room feels. It doesn't feel squeezed or cramped like many RV layouts. Instead, it feels like a proper lounge, a place where families can relax, talk, enjoy meals, and just feel at home. The kitchen area continues that residential feel. You get solid surface countertops, a stylish tile backsplash, a deep stainless steel sink, a 2-burner induction cooktop, a convection microwave, and a full residential refrigerator. The storage is smart and generous, making it easy to bring everything you need for long trips. And the lighting above the counters creates a clean, premium look that makes the whole kitchen shine. This isn't a travel kitchen, it's a real kitchen that truly lets you cook. Moving to the middle of the coach, the bathroom area is one of the highlights of this model. It features a large residential-style shower with beautiful wall patterns, a glass door, and a built-in seat. The vanity feels high-end, with a stylish faucet, LED-lit mirror, and smart storage for toiletries. Renegade doesn't use cheap materials here, everything feels solid, polished, and made to last. There's also a private toilet room, giving you plenty of space and privacy when you need it. And then comes the master bedroom, one of the most relaxing spaces in the entire RV. The Renegade XL 45 BBC gives you a king-size bed with premium bedding, a full wardrobe closet, overhead cabinets, a built-in dresser, and a second big LED TV. The room feels wide, comfortable, and beautifully lit. With the slide-out extended, you have more than enough space to walk around, get dressed, or simply enjoy a quiet evening. Renegade's insulation and climate system keep the bedroom quiet and cool, even in warm weather, giving you a true residential sleeping experience every night. One unique feature that sets the 45 BBC apart is the overhead bunk above the cab area. This is not a small RV bunk, it's spacious, comfortable, and well ventilated. It's great for kids, guests, or extra storage, and it adds versatility without taking away from the main living space.